bit of weather won't scare off a lot of the Richmond faithful. You can hear the drumming, you can see them here. It's Tormenta and Richmond to start off week 24. Let's get this going. One-on-one with Richie before he gets some help, but he's still going with it. Akale goes to the ground. And this is a point to the spot. Tormenta with the chance to take the early lead. It's Mukwele Akale one-on-one with Stuart Ritchie. Jonathan Bolaños comes in. It's Bill Hart, and it's 1-0. Tormenta, the Road Warriors, once again up top. That's gonna be a tough one to save, even if you guess the right way. Play it across. Here's the service in. Headed towards goal, but it just goes over top. Not a bad look from Tormenta. Had 2 assists last time these two teams played. Look at that ball to Bill Hart. That ball going across is just behind his man. The follow through goes off the frame. Bolaños sends that one forward for Terzaghi. Terzaghi with some space, and Terzaghi with the finish. Richmond drawn up at 1. It's goal number 15 on the season for the Argentine. There's a look again on the Greenswell Growers replay. And assisting him, of course, is Jonathan Bolaños. Those are different teams. Of course, after a lot of time, they're going to be much different. Gordon plays it to Vinyals. Through to Bolaños. Bolaños, it's saved. Well engaged by Bush. See if Richie can keep this one in play. He can. Richie making the run. Can he get by Phelps? He threads it to Bolaños! And Richmond with another goal in the second half. Rip the lead from Tormenta. Jonathan Bolaños, provider and a scorer. And Stuart Ritchie will log up his 4th assist, making the run and puts that right in the pocket. Approaching the 80th minute, and Tormenta level it from a dead ball situation. It's Cabral, and it's saved. He put it on frame. Josh Phelps will get that one out of there. Able to fend off a smaller Luke Pavone, only for it to be given away to Bolaños. Bolaños still going. Bolaños around the keeper. And good night. Jonathan Bolaños makes it 3. What a performance from him tonight. A superb player. And a fantastic performance in 90-plus minutes for Jonathan Bolaños. Here's a look at it again. Owain Gordon with some physicality, helping him win it back, and then it's just Bolaños on Bush. And there's the final whistle. Second half, 3 goals performance from the kickers.